Hey everybody, Cesar Ramos here, Advanced Planning Analytics. I'm launching a new course. It's going to be a fast track mastery in P6 in less than an hour. Now, a lot of people ask me, how's that even possible? Well, you have to remember that the traditional method of learning is becoming obsolete. And you say, well, what does that mean? Well, if you're going to sit in a classroom for 3 to 5 days and then read slide deck after slide deck and click on links, then after a while you begin to lose attention and even some motivation. So what we're doing here is, you know how to use the software. I'm going to teach you how to click and navigate through the software, add activities, add logic, run through logic, use your updates, go through layouts and filters. So it's meant to build up muscle memory, and when you go through this course a few extra times, then you actually retain this information better than you would in a traditional class. So please check out the course, links in the bio, and feel free to reach out. Thank you.